Hello, potential buyers, and maybe some YouTubers and some Facebookers, and heck, anybody else that's watching this video and this channel. Welcome to Elm Creek Court Homes condominium development located right here in Champlin, Minnesota. Now, folks, I have a condominium unit for sale, but before you get serious about buying any unit within Elm Creek Court Homes condominium development, there's just a number of things I think that you should know about before you plop down your hard-earned dollars for a home here. Now, I sell a lot of product on eBay, and I'd say about 35 to 45% of the product that I do sell will be used product. And whenever you're selling used product, you always point out the bad things about the product. You want people to know the bad things before they purchase that product. So basically, on this channel, I will be pointing out the bad things about Elm Creek Court Homes. And mainly, I will be focusing on our board of directors and our management company, which is Omega Management Incorporated. I will be focusing on how our board of directors and our property management company run this community. And we will also be exploring the reasons why every unit owner here is paying $255 a month in a condominium community that has zero amenities. Well, I should take that back. We do have one amenity, and that's a park. An old broken down park that rarely gets visited. Now, I can tell you that the information that I will be distributing on this channel is very valuable. It costs me a lot of money. And I cannot wait to tell you about this scheme the board of directors and the property management company came up with to try to stop me from disseminating this information and also to punish me. And as you can see, it didn't quite work out too well for them. I mean, you're watching this video. There was a little document that got in their way, and that is called the United States Constitution, and in particular, the First Amendment of the United States Constitution.